So hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Glenn and on Gumad Coins and Banknotes we have a pretty scarce coin in our hands. This is a British West Africa 2 shillings 1913. I have seen some pictures of these on the internet, but I've not found any other ones that are for sale. So suffice to say is that this would be an expensive coin, and it is. This coin is currently sold for $100. And if we look on the obverse, this is the face of the coin, you can see this is probably in fine condition. It doesn't look cleaned. It might have been cleaned in the past, but it's got a patina on it again. It has a lot of scratches. That's from wear and tear. And it has George V, the Gratia Britannia Omnium Rex, Fidei Defender India Imperial. And this is the first year of issue. So this one doesn't have a mint mark, so it's the London Mint, and it has a mintage of 2,100,000. So 2,100,000, you're thinking, yeah, it's going to be a common coin. And there is a Heaton Mint, I think it has a mintage of about 1.2 million. That's nearly impossible to get. But this one is also virtually impossible to get as well. You can see on the date it has a lot of dirt and that on it. And this has a coconut and in the background is a forest scene. So if you come across something like this and you can pick it up for, I don't know, $20 or $30, I reckon it would be a wise investment. And that's why if you're coin collecting, you need to learn your coins. So I snapped this up pretty quick when I first saw it. Can't remember how much I paid for it, but you know, I would say it's probably like $20 or $30 I paid for this coin. And to sell it for $100, which I think is a good value because it's the only one that I saw on eBay. I searched a few sites. I searched US eBay, UK eBay, and a few other eBays. No, didn't come across any of 2 shillings from British West Africa. That is 1913, first year issue. Also, the later dates are 2016, 2018. They had a higher mintage, so they're a lot easier to get. So I do not know why these ones are quite scarce. Virtually impossible to get. Maybe a lot of them were lost, or a lot of them were actually taken back and remelted. So anyway, I hope this helps you with your coin collecting. And British West Africa, very interesting coin to get. Now, what countries currently make up British West Africa? Well, this circulated in West Africa. Who's in West Africa? You got the Gambia, you've got Ghana, you've got Nigeria, you have, basically that is about it. Sierra Leone. There you go. Those 4 countries use these coins. And at the time, the population is actually quite small. Anyway, thank you very much and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.